Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to turn off location on Snapchat. Now it's a very easy process, so there are basically two ways how you can do this. Let me show you. Firstly, open Snapchat, then go to your GPS section or the map section. Now as you can see, this is my location. So the first option is just simply remove the location or enable the ghost mode. So go to your gear icon at the top right and enable ghost mode. And over here, just simply choose your desired time. So I'm going to choose until turned off. And now when the ghost mode is enabled, the map location will be gone, as you can see right over here. No one will be able to see it. But if you don't want to ghost yourself, there is another way as well. Go to the gear icon again and enable the ghost option. And this time what you will do is close the application. And what you will do is just simply go to the application settings page. So hold on to the application and open app info. And now right over here, just simply go to the permission section, which will be over here, app permissions. And now over here, just simply remove the location permission. Click on the location option and then click on deny. And now the location permission is gone. So the moment you will open the application again, it should ask the location pop-up. It should show right about now, as you can see right over here. Now over here, what you do is just simply click on skip. And now your location will be not shown on the map, as you can see right over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.